Today we learned chin placement, which is here. The sounds we make at the chin are ah, oo, eh. And the way we remember that is tall, blue, bed. Ah, oo, eh. So first we'll start off with reviewing some nonsense syllables. Remember that if we have isolated vowels without a consonant preceding, we use the open hand shape. So I'll say the syllable and then I'll cue it 2 or 3 times. So ah, ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Eh, eh, eh. Now for hand shape 5, we also can make the consonants t, m, f. We remember that with too much food. So to say ma, which is ah, we go ma, ma, ma. To say foo, which is f, oo, foo, foo, foo. To say te, t, eh, we go te, te, te. Remember when you're making hand shape 5 to keep your thumb extended. We also learned in previous lessons hand shape 3, which is s. You can remember that with her red socks. So to say ha, which is ah, we go ha, ha, ha. To say roo, which is oo, roo, roo, roo. To say se, which is s, eh, we go set, set, set. Now to say which has a vowel before the consonant, remember that when we do isolated consonants, we cue those to the side. Chin level about 4 inches to the side. So which is om, om. To say oot, which is oot, we go oot, oot, oot. To say oos, which is oos, 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 oos. To say f, which is f, 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 f. To say hot, which is hot, 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 hot. Now, moving on to 1-syllable words. I will say the word, I'll say the phonemes that make up the word, then I'll cue the phonemes individually, and then I'll cue the whole word. Okay, so air. Now remember, this is an R-colored vowel. So because saying at the end of a phoneme changes the vowel going into it, air is actually and Okay, so air, 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 air. I'll cue that again. Air. Ought, 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 ought. I'll cue that again. Ought. Raw. 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 Sauce. Saw. Saw. Sauce. Sauce. Taught. Taw. Taw. Taught. Taught. Hoot. 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 Two. 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 Suit. 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 Toot. 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 Who. 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 Met. 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 Set. 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 Messed. So this one has our consonant clusters in it again. So it's me, s, t. And remember, when we have a consonant cluster, we'll just make those consonants right after each other. Me, s, t. Messed. Messed. I'll cue that one more time. Messed. Rest. 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 Fair. Now this rhymes with air, so we're going to cue it the same way at the chin. Fair. 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 We're skipping more. Off. Because we don't, in our accent, we don't cue or sounds at the chin. We cue them with the O. So then we'll do off. 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 Skipping or. Rare. 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 Sought. 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 Sue. 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 Stem. S. Te. S. Stem. Stem. Toss. 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 I'll put the 2-syllable words and the phrases in a different video for anyone who feels confident with the 1-syllable words.